Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the Pivot Folding UTV Mirror Kit with the A-pillar mounts from Tusk for the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. So if you are an RMAX owner and you're shopping for some side view mirrors, we've got a lot of great options on our website, but today we want to show you the Pivot Folding Mirror Kit with the A-pillar mirror mounts from Tusk. Great setup, they're built really well, and we really like the mounting design on these. So these mount up right to your A-pillars. So you will have extra bolts that will come included that are a little bit longer to get this mounted up, but you have your bracket here, and then the mirror just installs right to that. And what's great about this setup is, one, it looks good when you have it installed, but also if you can see we have a full windshield on here, it stays out of the way of a lot of the accessories that you might have on your actual A-pillars. So it's a great setup as far as mounting goes, and the mirror itself is built really well. It also has some great features. So first of all, cast aluminum construction, so super strong. It has a notch pivoting design, and what's great about that is, one, it just folds right up. So maybe you're parking in an enclosed trailer or in a garage or in a tight space, you can fold those in. But the biggest benefit is that if you're out doing some trail riding, whatever it is, you smack a tree branch or whatever, these will just break away and then you just push it right back to where it needs to be. You're ready to rock and roll. So those are some features that make these pretty unique. You've got a convex anti-shatter mirror inside here. It's fully adjustable to get that set up exactly how you want it. And I'm just gonna say it right now, when it comes to side view mirror, you don't realize how nice they are once you have them and then you drive without them. You don't realize how much you actually do use side view mirrors, whether you're backing up or you're just checking on the group that's behind you when you're out doing a group ride. So for us, side view mirrors, one of those must-have accessories. These are an awesome setup again for the RMAX 1000. We do also have a different setup that will come with these mirrors as well. We do have a low profile roll cage clamp option as well. So if maybe you don't want to go the A-pillar mount way, there is another version that just goes right to the roll cage. So again, that's just gonna be rider preference, but there are a couple different options for you. So if you are shopping for some side view mirrors, this is a great setup. If you have questions or comments, want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to see these and pick yours up today, it's simple. Click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are UTV specific, so it's important when you're picking yours up just to enter the year, make, and model of your side-by-side, and you'll get the correct fitment. Orders over $75, ship free. If you like this video, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.